How to update VLC Player to the latest version. Ordinarily, you can use VLC Media Player without updating it. Sometimes, some of its functions may not work well over time. So, to fix such issues, you need to update VLC Player to the latest version. Updating VLC Media Player will also help prevent any security breaches. So, how do you update the VLC Media Player? Sometimes, when you launch VLC Media Player, you'll be prompted to update the program. A pop-up box asks whether you want to update the player to the latest version. Just click on Yes to proceed with the update. If you don't see this update prompt box, then you can manually update your VLC Media Player. Here are the steps on how to do it. Launch VLC Media Player. Click on the Help menu. Select Check for Updates. When prompted to update your player, click on Yes. The latest available update will be downloaded. When the download is complete, you'll be prompted to update VLC. Go ahead and click Install. When the player setup box appears, click on Next. You'll be notified that VLC has already been installed. Make sure you choose Upgrade VLC and click Next. Installation will begin. Wait for it to be completed. When installation is complete, click on Finish. VLC Media Player will be launched. Now, let's check whether VLC Media Player has been updated. Click on Help and then check for updates. A message will say that you have the latest version of VLC Media Player. Those were the steps for updating your VLC Media Player. Now, go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.